Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes pen drive or USB showing no media 0 byte in disk management Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand disk drives, right-click USB drive, click Uninstall. Click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Right-click USB drive, click Update driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is type Diskman in Windows search bar, click Create and format hard disk partitions. Right-click, click Change drive letter and paths. Change any drive letter, click OK. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type CHKDSK space, drive letter colon space, /F space, /X space, /R. Fourth method is Open File Explorer. Right-click USB drive, click Properties, click Tools tab, click Check, click Scan and Repair drive. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list space, disk. Type select disk 1, in my case disk 1 is USB drive. Type clean. Type exit. Type Diskman in Windows search bar, click Create and format hard disk partitions. Right-click New Simple Volume. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.